On Daybreak, real answers about an agonizing wait, the time between getting a vaccination and feeling safe to live life as we used to know it, normal. News 8's Hannah Mordeau took the questions like that to frontline healthcare workers. They say key, and we've heard this a lot, will be patience.
Yeah, patience is really what's important here. It takes some time after that second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for optimal protection to kick in, but even after that point, these masks, they're going to be necessary for some time to keep your unvaccinated loved ones safe.
As soon as I get the second shot, I'm going to hug them to death.
A lot of grandmothers can relate to Andrea Batesel. She and her husband Brad just got their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine here in Indianapolis. A main motivation? To safely hug their 8 grandkids again.
We're a hugging family, and not to be able to hug is very hard.
But healthcare workers say people may need to wait a bit longer for that hug.
1, 2, 3.
After their shots.
The immunity really happens 2 weeks after that second dose, full immunity. So in the meantime, we still need to do everything we've been doing, which is still social distancing, wearing your mask, washing your hands.
According to the CDC, the vaccine has not been proven to reduce transmission of the virus.
Not too bad, right?
Health experts here in Indianapolis say the vaccine should highly reduce chances of people getting COVID-19 and therefore reduce transmission. But you should still keep the safety of unvaccinated people in mind.
So it's important, even if you've received the vaccine, to know that there are several around you that haven't.
That means holding off on that hug with the grandkids until everyone's gotten both of their doses of the vaccine. Still, these nurses say this shot is eventually the solution to our social distance dilemma.
Is this the light at the end of the tunnel for them?
It absolutely is, yeah, it is. It's a light at the end of the tunnel for all of us to get back to normal.
Until then, grandmothers like Leela Ann Hill are prepared to be patient.
I will still wear my mask, is what I've been told.
She's determined to do whatever it takes
Just getting a hug from them.
to get that hug back.
Well, our grandchildren are very important to us.
And community immunity is the goal here. Nurses tell me that really every day that people are getting vaccinated, we're inching closer to that.
Community immunity, herd immunity has been the conversation since the very beginning on this. What's the current thinking on what that actually means?
So the CDC hasn't really said exactly what percentage it would need to be, but Dr. Anthony Fauci has said 70%, ideally 85% of the population vaccinated to get to that herd immunity.